let's talk about air ducts. One of the biggest energy wasters in many traditional homes of the past. If you've ever been in the attic or basement and seen the large metal rectangular tunnels that weave around your home, those are air ducts. Those ducts are responsible for taking heated or cooled air to every zone and room in your house. In a typical home, and especially older homes, as that air travels from floor to floor and room to room, wherever there are leaks, gaps, or unsealed areas, that hot or cold air is lost, costing you big money. In most homes, this can mean up to 40% energy loss from all those little openings throughout your ducts. Fortunately, in a Fairfield home, we reclaim those lost dollars for you by sealing those ducts from the inside out. Using patented technology, our team coats every inch of your ductwork with a safe energy sealing compound. The impact of this process is dramatic. Instead of a 40% energy loss in traditional ducts, only 3 to 8% of it escapes a Fairfield duct. That's 8 times more efficient. Why is this important? Ducts that are so well sealed allow Fairfield to create dampers and zones in your whole house's HVAC system. Older, non-dampered homes with non-sealed ducts require the entire home to be heated and cooled, whether one room needs it or not. This also results in big temperature shifts from room to room. With Fairfield's sealed ducts and zone dampered system, your furnace and AC unit only heat and cool the areas of your home that need it, when they need it. This results in consistent temperatures from room to room, meaning greater comfort all over your Fairfield home. When we say all over your home, even your basement can be temperature controlled just like the other floors upstairs.